the students struggle in this, but we got very easy stuffs for this, right? Okay. First of all, we'll mark these things, right? First of all, we'll mark these things. Listen. Okay. Now, Buddha, did you do this question? That's it. You completed. Everyone. No, you didn't do the question, whatever on the board. Others completed. Right. Okay. We'll discuss that in a while. Okay. First of all, we'll come for the lesson indices and logarithm. Right. In the indices and logarithm lesson, Buddha, right? First of all, if I write like this, okay, if I write like this, careful listen. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. If 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 mean, and this one is known as the base. This one is known as the index. This one is known as the answer. So I can write this one as Buddha, right? Log by. I can write this as log by. So when this comes as log by, okay, what is the base? Base is 2. So I can write log 2. Answer 8. Index 3. So I can write like this. Okay. This one is the base. Base is how much? Base is 2. Answer is 8. Index is 3. And this part is very important. This is a grade 10 knowledge. Plus I can write like this. Log LGX. LGX mean what? LG mean what? What's the meaning of LG? LG mean, what is it? Log 10. LG mean that is known as log 10. Log 10 only LG. Right. So let us color mark these things. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay. Now, listen, Puta. Now, Puta, this one, right? You can see indices. Under indices, right? Under indices, 2 to the power 0. Okay, sorry, under log question, see the first one, log 381 equal x. And you have done that. Very good. Some students have completed everything there. Okay, legends, right? Because our students are legends. Log 381 is equal to x. Putha, carefully listen how to do this part. Putha, when log 381 is equal to x mean, I have to use log by here. What is the word? Log by. Like, I don't know, normally we say in Indian movies, you would have seen this word by. Okay, you say for people by as a respect. Okay, you see that movie, right? By movie, right? You just remember like this. By log by went to Bandaranaike International Airport. Where is Bandaranaike International Airport? Ah, very good. It's in Sri Lanka. Excellent. Right? Bandaranaike International Airport is in Sri Lanka. So BIA is Katunayake. Right? Katunayake Airport. Why do they call Bandaranaike Airport then? Because Bandaranaike only started that. That's why he kept in his name. Mahinda Rajapaksa started a airport, no? But that is known as what airport? Mahinda Rajapaksa International Airport. You don't know International Airport, Mahinda Rajapaksa? Where is it? Mahinda Rajapaksa International Airport. Huh? Mattala. Hambantota නෙමෙයි Mattala. That's Mahinda Rajapaksa? This one. Hari? So what is B? B mean? Base is what, Puta? Base is 3. Index is what? X. Answer is 81. So now what you have to say? Okay. Now you have to tell 3 to which power is 81? 3 to which power is 81? Did you do the bar? 4 is 81. 3 to the power 4. Then I can write like this, Puta. Therefore, x is how much, Puta? Therefore, x is how much? Therefore, x is 4. I can write. Clear? Is it clear? Right, nice. When we get Aggala, right? Okay. Now, see the next one. Log 6 x equal 5. This is the second question. What is the next question? Log 6 x equal to 5. Now, what can I write here? Log? I should write log by. Base is what? 6. Index is 5. Answer is x. 6 to which power is x? Hmm? 6 to which power? Tell me how much. You can see I have given a table, indices table. 7,000, 7,776. Was that easy to remember this value? No? So at least remember 6 to the power 5 is 7776. Right? Okay. Can everyone understand this? Is it clear? Can understand about that? Everyone? Nice. See the third one? This is the second one. Now we'll write the third one. We'll write the third one here. But what is the third one? Third one is log 4, 1024 is equal to x. Log 4, 1024 is equal to x. Then I can write here log by. I can write log by. What is the base? Base is 4. What is the index? Index is x. What is the answer? 1024. Then 4 to which power is 1024? 4 to the power 5. So x is how much, Puta? X is 5 kilo we can write. Is it clear? Then number 4. Excuse me. Are these things clear so far? These 3 are clear? No? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Hurry. Now we'll come for the fourth one. Write the necessary things. Huh? You wrote everything. Okay? Everyone can understand what's happening here? Everyone got the idea? So you guys got the idea? Okay, no? Right. If you haven't written, Taggala, write it. Okay. Okay, done? Shall I read this? Okay. Tell me what is fourth one? Hmm? Right. Now say the next one. Next one is LG. X is equal to 5. But what did I tell for LG? I told LG means what? LG the meaning is LOG 10. And LOG 10 X only equal to 5. Okay, no? Then you can write here, what is this? By. You can write by. What is the base? Base is 10. Index is 5. Answer is x. Answer I had to put x. I had to write this in this way, no? BIA. BIA. Bandanak International Airport. For B, 10. For I, 5. For A, x. So 10 to the power 5 only we get the value. 10 to the power 5 mean you can see 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Clear? Write it neatly. Right. Okay. Nice. Okay. So what is the next one? LOG x 625 equal 4. Next one is log6. Log6, right? Log6. Logx 625 equal to 4, right? Right. Now what can you write here? You can write log by here. You can write log by. What is the base? Base is x. Index is 4. Answer is 625. Answer is 625. Which one to the power 4 is 625? See in the table. I have given a table. No? See that table. Which one to the power 4 is 625? 5. So x should be how much, Puta? 5. Can you see 5 to the power 4 only 625? Is it 100% clear? Right. Okay, that's it. Now next one. LOGX 625 is equal to O. That is fine. Next one, okay. LG 1000 is equal to X. Write the necessary things. So what is the next thing? LG 1000 is equal to X. Right, LG 1000. Right. Okay. Now listen. Now these parts are fine. But x to the power 4 is 625. Then x is 5. These things are now nice. But what is the next one? LG 1000. LG 1000. But what is LG 1000? What is LG 1000? LG 1000 is equal to x scalar. You can write. LG 1000 is equal to x mean. LG 1000 is equal to x mean. I can break this as LOG 10s. 1000 is equal to x. LG become LOG 10 mean I can write as by. So base is how much? 10. Index is how much? X. Answer is equal 1000. Then 10 to the which power is 1000? X is equal to 3. Very easy, ne? Understood the pattern now, everyone? Nice. Next one. LOG X 2401 equal 4. Okay. LOG X 2401 equal 4. LOG X 2401 equal to 4. Then what is this? Log by. So what is the base? X. Index 4. Answer 2401. So x to the power 4 is equal to 2401. Then what should be x? X should be 7. So I can write for x, x is equal to 7 kilo I can write. Is it clear? Right, x is equal to 7. Next one, log 6 x is equal to 0. Log 6 x is equal to 0. This one I can write as log by. What is the base? By is equal to BIA, Bandananak International Airport. What is base? Base is 6. Index is 0. Answer is x. 6 to the power 0 is how much? X is equal to 1. Anything's power of 0 is how much, Puta? 1. Now, did you understand all these things clearly? Right. Now, Tagala come for the indices part. Okay, now indices. And now, these things are some basic parts you should know about how logarithm is connecting with indices. Okay, there is a basic part. What is the basic part? How logarithm is connecting with indices. Nice. Okay. Okay. Shall I erase? Okay. Nice. Now, for the next one. That is next. Right. But the next one is, what is next? Next one is we have to check the power. We have to check the power. Now, which power? Can you see first one? First one you can see 2 to the power 0. Okay. Now, indices, this is basic thing about grade 10. 2 to the power 0 is how much, Buddha? 1. Next one, 2 to the power 3 is how much? 2 to the power 3 is 8. That is a basic thing you should know. But I just included every single thing because everyone should know everything. Next one, how much is 2 to the power minus 7? How much is 2 to the power minus 7? No. What is 2 to the power minus 7 value? Very good. Okay. But remember, if there are minus powers, listen carefully. If there are minus powers, Puta, normally we don't write this index as a minus. What don't we do? Normally, we don't write. Sorry? 1 minute. Observe. Now observe this, right? 2 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 7 means we can write if there are any minus index, I have to change it to what index? Plus index. So I have to write 1 over 2 to the power 7. 1 over 2 to the power 7 means 1 over 128 kilo we get. Remember, if there are minus powers mean puta, when we want to change the minus into a plus powers, we have to change upside down. Now this entire number is up. Something is down. What is down actually? Although you can't see, 1 is here. So what will happen now? This 1 goes up, 2 to the power 7 come down. Is it clear? 100% clear. Right. This will happen. Next one, 3 to the power 2 times 2. 3 to the power 2 times 2 mean, what do you get here? 3 to the power 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 is how much? Again, whatever here you have to multiply. 3 to the power 4 is 81. Next one is 2 to the power 3 times 2. 2 to the power 3 times 2 mean how much is it? 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 mean how much? You can see 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 32, 32 into 2, 64. Then 2 to the power 6 is how much? Under 64 we will get the answer. Into 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 also there. No? Then 3 to the power 2 mean how much? That is 9. No? 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 2, no? Then 9. Then 9 into 4, 36. 9 into 6, 5, 54. 50, 576. That part is clear? No? Okay. What's next? Hmm? 1? 4 to the power minus 2. 4 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power 3. So 4 to the power minus 2 mean what? 1 over 4 to the power 2 kilo I can write. 5 to the power 3 I can write as 5 to the power 3. Then 5 to the power 3 we get the answer. 5 to the power 3 has a value 125. You can see that. And 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5 is 125. 125 of 4 to the power 2 become how much? 16. And the answer we get. And these things clear? Okay. These things are clear, right? Nice. Now shall we erase? All right. Then next one. This part is fine. Next is what? 4 to the power minus 2. 4 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power 3. That one we did, no? 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3. All right, now listen to this. Putha, don't speak. Shh. All right. Excuse me. Right. Now observe this. Puta comma will stop this one for moment. And ඊට පස්සේ will come for the convert root into indices, convert indices into root කියලා there is a part. අන්න ඒකේ wait a minute. Now there is okay, now see this part. See this part. In this puta, they have asked to write, convert the root into indices. Remember, you have to listen to this. If there is root 3, root 3 we can write as a power. Which one to the power? 3 to the power half kilo we can write. 3 to the power half kilo I can write. If I write root 7, how can I write this? 7 to the power half kilo we can write. If this value, if I put 3 here, if I put 7 here, how can I write this? 7 to the power 1 over 3 kilo we can write. Again, whatever the number here will come as 1 over power. We'll think here 9 kilo. We'll put x kilo. Then how can you write this? 9 to the power 1 over x kilo we can write. Is it clear? Then if they give something like this, 4 to the power 3 over 5 kilo if they give, how will you write this? 4 is inside the square root. What will come inside the hook? 3 over 5. What should come? Speak. 5 should come inside the hook. No, whatever down only inside the hook. No. Whatever the power here, it will come as the index here. Is it 100% clear now? Everyone. I'll give one more example. We'll put x here and we'll put y here. We'll put p here. Now, Buddha, tell me what is inside the square root? X is inside the square root. What is inside the hook? P. Very good. What is here? Y. Everyone understood now? Unnatural. Even this one, Buddha, if I can write this one like this, or I can write this one like this also. 5 kilo dala, make 4 kilo dala. For this entire things, power 3 kilo, I can write. Both are same. Now, can you understand this? After this, Puta, you have a small work. I'll give you a 15 minutes break. Right? Before that, you guys finish this. If you, wait, 1 minute, 1 minute. Listen. Puta, if I write something like this, 2 to the power minus 5 if I write. Okay. 2 to the power minus 5 over 3 kilo. So how will this come? We should minus power. Don't think anything. Okay, whatever down will come inside the hook. Whatever the big number will come here. Here minus 5, no? Then write minus 5. That's it. So did you understand everything about this? Hurry. Now, Buddha, you have this page. Please complete this page. If you complete this page, take a break. Hurry, small vadatti, you know. Taggala will come. Right? Until that, I have given a work. And complete karagan. Try to complete this entire page. Okay, that one express the following using the radical symbol. Radical symbol mean like this. Okay, like this. Write the using positive exponents. Okay, they asking to convert that to positive. Remember, do if you're done with this, take a small break. I will come soon. හරි? ඕකේ. Gala will discuss these things. Now you can see what you have on the screen, right? Okay, first thing, convert root into indices. And that's it. Can you see first one square root 2? Yeah, first one, what is it? Square root 2. What should I do for the square root 2? Right, what should I do for the square root 2? Okay. Tell me what you are good for the square root 2. Yes? For square root 2? 2 to the power 1 over 2. Very good. What is the next question? Square, what that tell? 5 square root 3. Array. How should you put this? 3 to the power 1 over 5. Well done. Next one. 3. 3 root 4. Then what should I write? 4 to the power 1 over 3. Right? Then next one. 3 to the power 1 over 4, right? No, 1.3, that is 3 to the power 1 over 4. You took as 1.3. Array. 3 to the power 1 over 4 means 3 should be inside 4, inside the hook. If you take as 1.3 shape, I think. Array. Next one. You took 2.3. 3 to the power 2 over 5. Then what? How will it come? 3 to the power 5 root 2. Next one. Sorry, it's supposed to be other side. Okay. This 2 should come as the power. 2 should come as the power. And 5 should be here. Next one. 7. 5 over 6. 7 to the power 5 over 6. So what is it? 7 square root 6 and here 5. Are these things clear? Right. Okay. Now these things are fine. That's the next part. Okay. Right. Now next one is p to the power 1 over 3. Right. Next one, express the following using the radical symbol. Hurry. Now these things are fine. Who got all correct? Raise your hand. All correct. Well done. Okay. Next part. Hurry. Next part is, what is the next part? Next part is p to the power 1 over 3. No? Right. P to the power 1 over 3. P to the power 1 over 3 mean, what can I write here? P square root, P square root 3 we can write. P square root 3. Hurry. Next one. Then P, B, B 2 over 3. B to the power 2 over 3. What is B to the power? B to the power 2, A to the power 2 over 3. Then A to the power 2 over 3 mean how will you write? A to the power 2 inside 3 should be inside the hook. Tell me the next one. Like this. Okay. Then what will come? X is here. Minus 2 is here. 3 should be here. Correct? Okay. Next one. M 2 over 5. Power mode kiya no, just m to the power 4 over 5. Hurry. Then m is here. 5 is here. 4 is here. Okay. No? Next. Y to the power. Y to the power minus 3 over 4. Then you will get here. Y to the power minus 3. Root take you get 4. Clear? Okay. Better agala. Now, see this part. Right. Okay. Now observe ये. Next, this next one is y to the power. Y to the power. I didn't do that. No, minus 3 over. I did. It was x to the power minus 5 over 3. X to the power minus 5 over 3 mean how should we write this? X to the power minus 5 over 3. Is it clear? Right, nice. Okay. Next one. Number 2, write using positive exponents. Okay. That is square root m to the power minus 1. Shall I erase this? Okay. Okay. Now what is this? Square root to the power? Square root m to the power minus 1. Now how will you write this? If you remove the square root, it become half. Ne? Then when you remove this m to the power minus 1 or 2. Ne? If you just write a square root, that is 2. Ne? Careful listen. Everyone see here? M to the power minus half. Everyone clear about this? Now, Buddha, I said if there are minus powers, what will happen? How can I change to plus power? Huh? Send him down. Again, what is down here? 1. Then I have to send 1 over m to the power half. That's it. Everyone clear? Sit out understood? Booking understood? No? Right. Next one. Now, actually, now we are training you for maths. Huh? These are maths developments. These are not exam developments. Eh? What are these? We are building up maths. Okay, this is building up maths. What's next, Puta? This next. X to the power minus 1, 3. X to the power minus 1, what is here? 3. So what should I write here? X to the power minus 1 over 3 here I can write. X to the power minus 1 over 3. So if it minus power, I have to change it to plus power. No? So I can write 1 over x to the power 1 over 3. Next one, 5p minus 2. Square root 5p minus 2. What did I tell? P to the power minus 2 is up, 5 is down. Since this is a minus power, I have to write it as a reciprocal. 1 will go up, p to the power 2 over 5. And here we should write this. That's only known as positive exponents. Other one, square root a to the power minus 3. Square root a to the power minus 3. I told you even the minus 3 comes here. How will you write this? Minus 3 is up. Just root mean what is down? 2 is down. Then if you want to write as the exponents, you can write 1 over a to the power 3 over 2 kila you can write. Okay. What's next? X minus 3 and 4. X to the power minus 3 and base 4. That's it. Here, right? 4. Then how should you write this? X to the power minus 3 over 4 kila. You should write this. Is it clear? Understood? Right. And you have to write as plus power 1 over x to the power 3 over 4. Okay. So did everyone understand these things? These things are easy? Right. Nice. Now the next one. Okay. Now the next one. The next is observe. Listen carefully. Alright. Putra, can you see find the value? There is a part. Find the value. Right. I'll show this to online students. I'll share this PDF at the moment. Alright. Now in this part, Putra, find the value. You have this part. You can take a screenshot. Online students, after that you can zoom this. Okay. Right. Take a screenshot. Okay. Now under this Puta, can you see square root 25? Right. Now I will show you. I will listen this very easy. Yeah? Right. Under square root 25 Puta. Under square root 25. Right. Okay. Okay. Under square root 25, they have asked to find the value. Puta, square root 25 is how much? Square root 25 is how much? 5. Puta, although you know 5, we have to act. Chutti acting parak we will put. Now how to act here? Carefully see this, how to act here. මේ square root 25 කියන එක we will write 5 to the power. I can write, first of all, write this 25 as half scale. 25 to the power half. If you remove the 25, 25 to the power half. That is correct. Then see the denominator. This denominator is, what is the power? Denominator's power is 2. If the denominator's power is 2, I can write this as 5 to the power 2 kilo I can write. 5 to the power 2 into half kilo I can write. Then this 2 and this 2 I can simplify. Then what will be the answer? Answer is 5. Is it clear? And actually we get 5. This is the first time you guys are learning how actually 5 comes for this. But normally how we learn? We learn 5 squared is 25. So 25 root is 5. Echarai you know. But now only you know square root means power half here. That power half, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. From that only you get 5 here. You are learning in grade level. Got the point? Nice. Okay. Next one. Square root 416. Square root 416. Putha, how should I write this? 16 to the power 1 over 4 kilo I should write this. Then I should get a value for this. They have asked to find the value, not to just express. Then Putha, see the denominator. This denominator is what? Carefully see this. Denominator is 4. If this denominator is 4, Putha, remember whatever the number here, this one also I should write as power 4. Which one to the power 4 is 16? 2 to the power 4 only 16. Then this one I can't write 4 to the power 2 kilo I can't write here. Why? Because this denominator is 4. Therefore, I should write 2 to the power 4 kilo I should write. Why are we writing 2 to the power 4? Our purpose is to cancel this 4 and this 4. Into 1 over 4 kilo I can write, 4 and 4 I can simplify. 2 to the power 1 is 2 kilo I can write. And එහෙම තමයි we can do this. Clear? Next one. Square root 4 to the power 5. Square root 4 to the power 5. Right? Square root 4 to the power 5. Right? Then what will happen here? 4 to the power 5 over 2 kilo we will get the answer, right? Wait. I'll give time to write. Make a listen. Listen. Then put the 4 mean. 4 mean. This is 2. No? This is 2 mean this 4 also I should write as which power? 2. Power 2. Then I should write this one as 2 to the power 2 5 over 2. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. 2 to the power 5 is how much, Putha? 32. 2 to the power is 32. We get the answer. Understood? Is it 100% clear? Right. And we do this work. Right. So can you see a few questions are there after this? Hurry. Okay. Then these things are fine. First of all, write these 3 things. This is ABC, no? First write ABC. Taggala do this. Satas. Make it first. Make it first. Taggala do the ABC. Okay. Now see this. Okay, observe. But now in this part, will erase. But until, okay, I tell it is 5 to 7. No? After that, when you start your revision class only, it goes to 5 to 8. Revision class, we're adding only 1 hour. Plus, you guys got the paper class on Friday. No one participated in this. Okay, very good. Keep it up. Don't participate when the marks drops, right? I'm not responsible. Right? Friday, everyone, it is must to complete and show the work. A revision is something, paper class is something. It is last minute, you don't think, or if you join 1 or 2 paper class, your marks will increase. Ehema don't think. Ehema won't increase, right? It won't increase like that. So please be mindful. Hey, don't think last 3 or before 1 month before the exam, if you do, the paper class we are doing for free of charge. You think people don't have value for free things. They are right? Don't be like that. We are a free name. Actually, it's a part of this class. It's happening online. Online. We will start a paper class physically here. You can pay extra. 2,000 with the pay we can do a paper class. Free you can come. Some people love to pay and come. If you pay only, you get the satisfaction feeling. And people have, right? If I will see this, if you don't participate on Fridays, you can practice night 8 o'clock. Other one, Friday night 8 to 9:30. Only 1.5 an hour session. Again, it's a part of the class. Again, normally, like, if you can't participate, mostly it is must to participate live. In case if you are not participating, you have to tell me why aren't you participating. You have to take, you have to see the recording, then you have to complete that. YouTube became a thing. You must. So don't think you have to work. The people who are getting 80s, you have to try for 90s. The 90s, you get 100. Right? The people who are in 40s, you have to go for 70s. Now, tomorrow, we don't have the paper class. Because tomorrow we have our final seminar. Okay, therefore we don't have any other classes. Tomorrow we have only the final seminar. Okay. So next tomorrow we don't have, but hereafter at least you have got to be responsible. Your life, you only should shape it up. We will support. We only support a gun only. Right. Now the next part is Buddha. See this. Come to chuttak me G G. G. And G gave 27 over 125 to the power 205 kilo, it's there. Can you see that? Right? 2 over 3, I'm sorry. 2 over 3 kilo, it's there. Putha, then we have to see the denominator. Putha, what is the denominator here? Now listen. What is the denominator here? Denominator is 3. If the denominator is 3 mean, this 27 also I have to write as power 3. This 125 also I have to write as a power 3. Right? Then 27, if I write as power 3, which one to the power 3 is 27? 3 to the power 3. 125, which one to the power 3? 5 to the power 3. And 2 over 3 gila I have to write here. Putha, this 3 is common for this and this both. Therefore, what should I do? I have to cut this 3, 3, 3. Then I have to write like this. Okay. 3 to the power 2 is how much? Can I have to write like this? 3 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 2. You can have no need to write. But if you want, you can remove the bracket and you can write. Then 3 to the power 2 is how much? 9, 5 to the power 2, 25 we get the answer. Can you understand that part? Taggala add karaga. Taggala add that. Okay. Right. But I come to the next one. Next one is home come for the I. I may come to the J. Ouch. But see the J. But what do you like to give like a direct book or like tunes like this? One book or tunes like this? That's good. One book is good or tunes like this is good, easy. Which one is easy for you? Huh? One book or tunes like this? Broken chapter tunes? Nathang tani fall together in one. Huh? Like I'm giving again, I will give you a file. A file like put these tunes, chutti tunes to put to like a very big book with one book. What do you like? Car book book. Book. Why book? Why do you like book? Huh? Why this is difficult? Huh? No, I thought like if you have something like this, whatever you're writing, you can attach to this itself. So you can see the entire thing in this tute. When you write in the book, I think I don't know. If you like book, I can give the book. No problem. Earlier we gave books. Now I just thought this year to give like tutes like this. Then tute එකතුලේ දාලා නිකන් අර first term you'll get a file, second term you get a file, third term you get a file. එහෙම අවුලක් නැත්නම් I can give you entire book. එහෙම print කරපු book එකක්ම I can give. හරි. What do you like පුතා? You like the book? You guys like tutes? Single tutes like this. No, not I. J. No, don't do anything. Wait. J. I'll show the J. Then you will know how to do that. And see the J. Observe here. What is J? J is 27 over 64. 27 over 64 to the power minus 2 over 3. Hurry. Now carefully listen this. Observe here. But what is this? Index is minus. Normally earlier, when the index was minus, how did we change it to plus? We did the reciprocal. We have reciprocal which one? This 27 and 64 or this 2 and 3? Huh? Now you get a doubt. Definitely you will get this doubt in exam. If I don't ask this. Huh? I will ask. Who are telling 27 and 64 you have to change? Who are telling 2 and 3 we have to change? Definitely you will get. Oh, they can't do right? Which one you should raise your hand now? Which one is the correct answer? 27 and 64 only you have to change. Putadi, are we changing these powers? Power index we don't change. What we change? Only the base. Base only will go up and down. Okay, so what will happen? The 64 will go up. That 27 will come down to the power 2 over 3. You think 64 mean, what is it? 4 to the power 3. 27 mean 3 to the power 3. It was 2 over 3. This 3 get cancelled. Then 4 to the power 2 is how much? 16. 3 to the power 2 is how much? 9. 16 or 9 kilo. We get the answer. Clear? Everyone clear how we got this? 4 to the power 2 is 16. 3 to the power 2 is 9. If we get a minus index also, now you know how to do this part. No? Sorry. So I have to do only one more example. After that, I can leave the entire thing to you. It has you can do everything. Hey. Oh. Don't do that. Okay, always you are touching the screen. No? I know. So what else I did? I said you're touching the screen always. Why you want to go home soon? Right? Okay. Now observe here. Okay, tomorrow we are having our final seminar for 2025 O-level batch. Right? One of the massive tute. Right? So if you have friends who are doing O-level this time, you can tell them to join this. Okay? Because it's gonna be a game-changing event in the last moment, because it is made up of 50 short questions, 24 structured 24 structured 20 structured essays and 24 essays, right? Plus 11 type of new questions which was not released to O level yet. And a big grand seminar gonna happen tomorrow. 7:30 to night 8:30. Okay. 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. A full day seminar. You guys don't come to that seminar. You don't come, I will be upset because you don't have that much energy now. That 25 batch students having that energy now because they have exams in 18 days. Fire. If you come, right? You don't have that power. In the last minute, you also get that power. You have a badge. Final seminar normally we are doing last 10 days, 5 days. ඒක ලේසි ඒක මාර ෆන් එක යන වැඩක් හරි ඒ කියන්නේ if you have anyone tell them who actually especially like who are in a very low level මේගොල්ලන්ට මේක game changing event එකක් වෙයි if you tell them we can definitely help them to overcome to a very good level tomorrow happening at Achievers Colombo 4 Achievers Bumbalapitiya 7:30 am if someone wants they can come there at 7:30 and they can get the tickets and they can come in hurry if you want more information you can contact our office. Then see the K part. So K part is, what is K part? 0.81. So how can we write, okay, 0.81 to the power? 0.81 to the power? What is that? 3 over 2. 0.81 to the power 3 over 2. Putanna, this one I can write. Remember 0.81 I can write as a fraction. How can I write? 81 or 100 kilo I can write. You guys know that? I can write 0.81 as a fraction 81 over 100 kilo. Because after the decimal point there are two numbers, so 81 over 100. For an example, if it like this, 0.0081 mean 81 over 1000. How many zeros? 4 zeros. 1 and 4 zeros. Can you understand? Okay, 1 and 4 zeros. And here we can write as a fraction. After writing as a fraction, what can you do? You can write this 3 over 2. Then this 81 also you can write as power 2, 100 also you can write as power 2. So I can write 81 mean 9 to the power 2, 100 mean 10 to the power 2 to the power 3 over 2. What will happen? This 2, this 2, this 2, all they get cancelled. 9 to the power 3. How much? 9 to the power 3 is how much? 700? 729. 10 to the power 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay. If someone writes 0.729, that's also fine. Or 722, 729. No, 10 to the power 3 is 1000, right? Either 0.729. Either 0.729, even at the 729 over 1000. Okay. Harine? 729 divided by 1000. Take 3 decimals backward. 0.729. Yeah, the decimal point what in 0.729. Okay, because 0.9 to the power 2 only this one. Best is to write as a fraction and write, then you will never make mistakes. A mistake can happen. Are these things clear? Right? Okay. Now, for the next one, you can try as a homework, right? All the other stuffs you try as a homework in this page. I think you can try that as a homework. Now, in the making, we have to do it today. Now, listen. Putame, like every day you eat food, every day you get hunger. And likewise, every day you need motivation. A motivation we can't travel. A motivation is must. Understand, Puta? Always I am telling one thing. Are? What is this time period? This time period is a school time period. Again, a school life period is school time period. Why this time period is there? This is the time period to develop everything. Everything, studies, extracurricular activities, your talents, your skills, everything you have to improve in this time period. After that, you will finish your school by 20 years. 20 years, 19 with your school are done with A levels and all. In 19 වලින් පස්සේ what you have to do is whatever you have taken from school life අන්න ඒ ටික you have to apply after that. After that 20 to 24, 25 වෙනකන් you will have a college period or degree, a higher studies period. And ඒ period එකේ you don't learn much there. එතන තියෙන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ whatever you have learned skills ටික apply කරන්න. Remembers a child who got low marks in their school exams, will they choose A-level maths or bio stream? එහෙම choose කරන්න. A person who got very low marks in their exams, will they choose a very high grade field? එහෙම choose කරන්න. They itself decide. Okay, they itself downgrade yourself. Now you are products. ඔබලොක්කොම නිකන් products ටිකක්. ඒ products වල you have a value. ඒ value එක දෙන්නේ කවුද? Not others. You itself give the value. You itself tell, I am weak at this. I am weak at those. You never try to improve that. එහෙම කරන්න you don't come forward. What you tell, you itself tell, I'm weak in maths, for an example. I'm weak in science. My memory is not that good, so whatever the things are to by heart and do, ඒව මට බෑ. Right. Always remember, if you speak 100 negative things about you, automatically you become a condemn, right? A condemn which person කෙනෙක් you will become. It was ඕගොල්ලෝ value එකක් ඕගොල්ලන්ටම ගන්න බෑ. But remember, God has created everyone with a value. Everyone has something. A something එක what කියලා you have to find. I'm not telling everyone can do maths කියලා. එහෙම නෙමෙයි. You have something. A something එක you identify. You try to do, you just, first of all, this time period is to try everything. That's why they have given 9 subjects. That's why they have given 1 subject. If you have experienced 1 subject, you don't know whether the other things are easy or hard. Now you got 9 subjects. 9 subjects you are doing now. Not only that, try to do other things also. Even sports එකක් ගියත් try to do around 3-4 sports. ඒව කරලා බලන්න කෝකද ඔයාට set වෙන්නේ කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ like there are so many clubs you got in your school. ඒ හැම එකක්ම නිකන් කරලා බලන්න. මේ time period එකේ නේ හැම එකක්ම කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ චුට්ටක් කරලා බලන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ now still O level beginning නේ. ඒ නිසා you have like 4-5 months වෙනකන් you do clubs කරගන්න. කරන මොන මගුලක් within these 4-5 months කරගන්න. After 4-5 months, take a break. කරන ඕන කැමති දෙයක් now itself try before you leave school. Right? එතකොට you will see, I am good at this. Sometimes you will see when you're doing clubs, I'm good at marketing. I'm good at like marketing තියෙනවනේ school වල, like you guys have to collect souvenirs. එහෙම තියෙනවනේ බං, කොච්චර collections තියෙනවද school වල ගහන. එතකොට තනියෙන් ගේමක් ගාලා you have to do a campaign. එහෙම ගොඩක් ඒවා තියෙනවා schools වල. එතකොට you when you doing this බං, you will understand your abilities. තනියෙන් match එකක් ගහ ගන්න පුළුවන් dial එකක් තමයි මම කියලා. Right? ඒ ටික you have to get from school බං. නැත්තම් එළියට after that when you go to unis, ඔය ටික you will develop up to some level, but basic level you have to develop from your school. Studies උනත් පුතා උඹලා නිකන් අර like don't be in like අර inability person කෙනෙක් විදියට don't be in a place. You try that. Always I tell only 2 things. මොකද්ද? There are 2 types of people. One set of people will understand everything very fast. Second set of people, they will understand slow, right? And එච්චරයි තියෙන්නේ. One people they'll understand for, one person will understand slow. We'll say for an example, when you're learning 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 කියලා, we'll say a child learning that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 කියලා at the age of 3. Another child is learning 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 at the age of 4. So when both becomes age of 4, okay, both the children are similar or different? Both are same, right? Both knows 1 plus 1 is 2. Likewise only, but in maths also. Some students sata gala, like, because their brain processor is fast. Any sort tattagal process they will do it quickly. They'll understand it quickly. Some students, their process is a bit slow because they didn't use it much. Again, when you don't use much, when you don't use your brain much in studies, it shows some lacking part in studies. It will be slow. It doesn't mean you are weak. A processing එක slow, when you start to work up, it will become fast. Because I have seen so many students, because I am